Today we are exploring Boqueron Beach. We've been to this beach a lot of times, but usually we come in from the area of the, the bars and restaurants and things like that. So today we came all the way to the end, which is you actually have to pay for parking, but it's like still super deserted. It was $4 to park, but the place is practically empty, and we're here on a weekday, so it should be a very calm and secluded area. Over here is looks like a court of some sort, and a lot of infrastructure made. I guess they were planning on having a whole lot more people here. So this is one of the biggest balnearios in Puerto Rico, so let's go check it out. What is that, Aiden?
It's a coconut.
It's from the coconut. It's super tall coconuts. Let's see if we can get the agua de coco out of it. Shake it, Aiden. Shake the coconut. There's the little plug. Once we get into that, we can have some agua.
There we are, we're in.
Yay.
Let me see.
See the hole?
Coconut juice straight from the coconut.
Mom, don't drink all of it.
Mmm, that's good. It's a lot of work. You want to see how it pours out, Aiden? Let's pour it into a cup. It doesn't have the other hole, so
Pouring up Aiden a shot.
it's quite a bit in there, huh?
Here you are, sir.
Let me see. Don't drink it all. You're drinking it all.
Jolly good show, mate.
Whoa, there's some coconut meat. Whoa.
Let me see. Okay. Oh, wow.
Turn it around, Aiden, so we can see what coconut looks like. All right, now eat it. Straight coconut.
Yeah.
Look,
That's a good
coconut broth.
Here's some, Mom.
Look how yummy that looks.
What do you think?
Look at that wing.
the Boqueron Beach. These are really pretty. And they even have water and bathrooms. Let's run. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. Aiden, what did you find?
Snails.
In the ocean?
Yeah.
You're always finding the coolest stuff, huh?
Yeah. Let me see them on the video.
Is hair accessories at the beach? Shells.
Hey, Aiden!
What are you doing?
Hey, Aiden! How do you say blue in Spanish?
Azul, like the mar.
Good job.
Boqueron is one of the few beaches in Puerto Rico that have lifeguard huts. I'm not sure if they're always occupied, but they do have them.
Right? On a lifesaver.
Sleeping on the job?
Welcome to another exciting episode of Baywatch. I am your new host, Britt, and we're watching Aiden.